Hello again, third grade. Today I'm going to be going over the steps of successfully practicing the recorder. I want you to use each of these steps every time you're learning a new song, whether that be at school or at home. So I am using my recorder book and I'm on one of my note practice pages. I'm on the second page of note practice and I'm going to be using example number 7. The first thing I want to do is take a look at what rhythms are used. So I see there's tas, and there's whole notes, which is the 4 beats of ta. Once I've identified each of the rhythms, I'm going to start at the beginning and say the whole rhythm using a nice steady beat so I don't go too fast. Ta, 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 ta. When I do the half notes, the tas that are 2 beats, and the whole note, the ta, which is 4 beats, it's important that I don't make it too loud and I don't beat them. For example, ta, ta, ta. Because then when you put it on the recorder, it's going to make a very different sound than what you're looking for. So just hold the note out nicely, and you can count with your finger and keep a steady beat. Ta. So I'm not showing that it's 4 beats with my voice. I'm just holding it nicely and showing it with my fingers. If I feel that I can say the rhythm, okay, I can move on to step 2, which is the note names. Now remember, we figure out the note names based off of where the note is on the staff, our 5 lines and 4 spaces. Right now we're just going to look at a piece that has B's and A's in it. So remember, our B is the 3rd line of the staff, and the stem always goes down. A is our only note we have on a space, and the stem is going to go up. So every time I see the stem going down or on the 3rd line, it's going to be B. And every time it's in the space with the stem going up, it's going to be A. I'm going to use the same rhythm that I just spoke, but now instead of saying the tas, I'm going to say the note names. B, A, B, B, A. B, B, A, A. B. I would practice that a few times to make sure you really know which note is which. Once we've done that, we can move on to step 3, which is speak and finger. So I'm going to sit up nice and tall, recorder royalty, get that left hand on top, and we're going to put it on standby on your knee. I'm going to put it on my desk so you can see. Remember, B is our thumb and our first finger with the holes completely covered. And A, we just have to put one more finger down, so we're only switching back and forth. We're not going to blow on our recorder right now. We're going to speak the notes in rhythm like we just did in step 2, but we're going to move our fingers when it's B and A to practice. B, A, B, B, A. B, B, A, A. B. I would also practice this a few times, really making sure your fingers are moving at the right time. So I'm going to do that again. B, A, B, B, A. B, B, A, A, B. Once you can move your fingers with the right notes, it's time to play. Make sure you remember everything from the last video and that we practice in class, sitting up nice and straight, recorder royalty, and it should sound like this. If you use all of these steps to learn the song, you will be very successful. Again, enjoy